What is going on, guys? Sirluis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And if you guys want to invest to rest, you guys can join my free crypto group on Facebook. It's called Crypto Invest to Rest. It'll be in the description below. Moving on to the video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the best app. It's actually two apps that I recommend to day trade crypto. If you guys are into day trading, swing trading, okay, these two apps, in my opinion, are the best at the moment to day trade crypto. Now, for long term, I don't recommend them because there's nothing good long term for them. This is mainly just to gain a profit from day trading and also swing trading, right? So I'm gonna share with you guys here the reason why I like these two for day trading, and I'm gonna tell you why compared to other exchanges out there. So starting out here with the first app, it's called Webull. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys know about Webull. It doesn't just have crypto, it has stocks. It mainly has stocks. But these are all the cryptos that it supports at the moment. Okay, I put them on here so you guys can see the full list of them. There's actually more than Robinhood. But the reason why I like this app for day trading and swing trading specifically is because there's no fees, and the price, when you buy the price, on a lot of exchanges it's a little bit higher, the spread's a little bit higher. There's a reason for that, because they make their money by that. Well, here on Webull, it's honestly at an amazing price. I compared it to many apps out there like Gemini, Coinbase Pro, Voyager, and the price here on Webull is a spot on good price. So it's very simple to buy. Let's say you wanted to buy XLM. Okay, all you gotta do is click here, trade, and then right here you can either do a limit order. This was cool too. You could do a limit order, and you can also do a market order. As you guys can see right here, you just put the amount that you want. You put half of your money, right, or something like that, and you basically just buy, and it goes through very easy. Okay, and like I said, there's no percentage fee, like 1%, and on top of that, the prices are spot on. They're not at a higher price like many apps out there, and you'll save a lot on fees compared to some other exchanges out there. So this is the first one right here. It's called Webull. These are all the cryptos that it supports at the moment. And moving on to the second one right here, it is Robinhood, which I'm pretty sure you guys know about, and it's for the same reason as Webull. If you go right here to the search and click on crypto, it will show you all the cryptos that it supports. It's actually less than Webull, but as you guys can see, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and then Litecoin. So again, the same reason as Webull, the prices on here are spot on, and there's no fees, and you could just trade at any time that you guys want. Now again, like I said, this is not good for long term. You don't want to hold your crypto here. You don't want to buy and then just hold, because number one, they don't have a wallet address for Webull and Robinhood. Now I know Robinhood said that they're coming out with a way to withdraw your money with an address, I guess, but you don't want to buy and store here. Where you want to store is like a hot wallet or a cold storage wallet. That's where you want to store. Again, this is mainly just for day trading, making a profit, swing trade, or whatever. Comparing the prices here, it's spot on. Okay, so you're gonna save on that. You're gonna save on the debit spread, and on top of saving on the debit spread on the price, you're gonna be saving on fees, because there's no fees on here on Robinhood and Webull. So this is my reason why I think this is a great place to day trade crypto, on top of it being 24 hours, which is a great thing too. And I'm gonna be leaving my 2 referral codes in the description below, and if you sign up using both of them, I think you'll get some free stocks. Okay, I think 2 free stocks on Webull, and I think 1 free stock on Robinhood if you guys use my referral code. Okay, so definitely check it out. It'll be all in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Comment, join my Facebook group, check out my Patreon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.